Good morning. Today is Wednesday, July 18th, 2012. Then I give a wrap up of the commodities complex as it closed yesterday and the day ahead of us. The Fed Chairman, Mr. Bernanke, began his biannual conference in the US yesterday. His address to the Congress was mainly addressed at the state of economy, wherein he stated that more steps needed to be taken as and when required to boost the economy, and unemployment was still lagging behind, and steps needed to be taken in due course to boost the economy. Now, the session continues today, where more statements are expected, but we are of the firm belief that the chairman would not take any stimulus measures as of now and defer it to a later date. The next FOMC meet is scheduled for July 31st and August 1st also, where a review would be undertaken again, and we expect that the same state of economy would be repeated there or a commentary given, but no steps or stimulus would be taken even at that point of time until the September FOMC meet, wherein even if the economy declines as it's been going on for the past few months, some kind of measures of stimulus could be announced in the September meet. As soon as the US Congress address by Mr. Bernanke commenced yesterday, the markets declined, especially gold and silver. Gold hit a low of $1,577 but closed above the $1,590 mark, currently trading at $1,591. Silver hit a low of $26.77 but closed well above the support of $27 and in fact hit a high of $27.60, currently trading at $27.25. Gold is now trading at $1,591. Resistance is at $1,600 and support is at $1,575 and $1,568. On the MCX exchange, it seems highly range bound, closed at around the 29,280 mark. Resistance is seen at 29,400 and support at 29,150. The INR closed yesterday at 55.10. You had a huge zigzag pattern yesterday, appreciated sharply at the open in the first half of the day, and towards the second half of the day weakened a bit to close at 55.1. Watch out for support levels of 54.80 for further progress of the INR, and resistance is at $55.50. Silver is now trading at 27.25, support is at 27 and 26.8 and resistance at $27.60. On the MCX, it closed at 52,850 mark. Resistances are at 53,050 and 53,350. Support is at 52,500. As soon as Bernanke's speech began yesterday, it hit a low of 52,400 and 400 levels and then bounced back sharply to reach the levels of 52,800 yesterday. Crude was positive overall during the course of whole of yesterday and currently trading at $88.95, hit a high of 89.2 late last night and trading positive. On the MCX exchange, it hit a high of 49.25, closed at 49.04. Resistance is now seen at 49.50 and support at 48.40. If 48.40 is not breached, subject to INR moves, it could test 49.50 to 5,000 levels in the days to come. Of course, we have the crude inventories today which need to be watched out. Natural gas trading mildly lower and trading in a range of 152 to 158 for now. Wait for fresh entry in natural gas. Base metals. Among the base metals, copper broke the support of 425 last evening after Bernanke began his speech and hit a low of 422.50, closed at around the 423 mark. Now it remains mild bearish below the 424 mark with resistance above 425.80, and if sustains below 424, could test 422 and 420 in the session cycle. So wait for fresh entries in copper for INR moves and international movements. Nickel is trading highly range bound, closed at around the 893 mark, trading in a range of 885 support, 887 to 885 support to a resistance of 900. Zinc, lead and aluminium are all had no major momentum yesterday, and further cues are awaited for fresh moves in these commodities. Watch out for fresh updates and commentaries in our website www.akshayaship.com. Have a safe trading day. Thank you.